mostly excited right now about the workshop we'll be doing in a few days.
That's right, because you're coming here to Dalton, Georgia for our CSR workshop. This workshop, Steve's coming up to deliver to our customers and friends, all you guys listening. It has been our most well-received, most requested, probably our most successful workshop ever, and so we have to do it again. I mean,
Absolutely.
we not only have been having request after request after request, but so much praise from the last time that we did it. And we did it a couple years ago. Steve was here. We did this CSR training workshop. But really, I'm not even the one to tell you all about it. Steve is much better at telling everything that we're going to be covering. But we are so excited to be bringing it again. What are we going to be doing on Tuesday, Steve?
Well, this workshop, again, is for anyone who uses the telephone. So this is for customer service people, dispatchers, supervisors who are on the phone, technicians who are on the phone. Anyone who uses the phone needs to learn more about the vocal image. And the vocal image is what other people perceive about you based on the sound of your voice. So we're going to cover complex topics, but make them simple. So in the same way a speech pathologist would enable someone to speak with greater clarity, this workshop is going to do this for you. You will achieve better results. Your customers will get better service. And if you're dispatching or if you're guiding your internal customers, meaning your coworkers, what I have found is that when our coworkers get better service from each other, the external customers are the benefactors of that. So Danielle, that's a brief synopsis.
I love it. Isn't that so true, Steve, that when everybody's working together in unity and harmony and treating each other well, it comes out to everybody. The customers and everybody feel that from the company.
Absolutely. And there's never been a more important time to do it because today's customer is a convenience-oriented customer. Mm-hmm. Today's customer is interested in their lives being more convenient. Mm-hmm. And the greater precision, the more consistency with which we serve this type of customer, the more repeat business we will get and greater referrals.
Yeah, so good. Well, I'm looking forward to it on Tuesday, March 23rd at 12 p.m. Eastern Time until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We are going to be hosting the CSR workshop. And as Steve mentioned, it's for anybody that answers the phone, anybody that interacts with customers at your company. You can register at thenewflatrate.com. There's a bar across the top of the site that says CSR workshop. Click there to save your spot. And we look forward to seeing you online on Tuesday.
Terrific. I'll see you in a couple of days, Danielle.
See you here. Thanks, Steve. Have good travels.
Thank you.